Are your monthly electric bills huge? How'd you like to cut them in half? Hi, my name is Bill Graham. I'm the resource manager for Jefferson County PUD. Part of my job here is to connect customers with rebates for new technologies that will help conserve power and lower their monthly bills. Plug-in heaters like these, and even old electric wall heaters, are the issue. They're expensive to run, mostly inefficient, and can even lead to fires. But imagine how much energy you'd save if you had a brand new ductless heat pump. Let me guide you through this. Close your eyes. Imagine a safe, warm place. Pajamas coming out of the warm dryer. Cookies baking in the oven. The smell of puppies.
Wait, what's a heat pump?
And what do you mean they're ductless?
That just simply means that there's no pipes to move the heat around the home. The ductless heat pump works by extracting heat from the outside and pumping it indoors. It's basically a refrigerator in reverse. A rotographer? A rotographer. It's basically a more efficient and cost-effective way to heat your home.
And what if we have ducts?
You mean ducts? Well, then what you need is a variable speed heat pump. The way that works is that it takes the...
That sounds expensive.
That's where the PUD rebates come in. You buy the heat pump system and we'll give you a rebate to cover a portion, or in some cases, most of the cost.
Is there a rebate for a heat pump waffle maker?
I don't think we have that one.
A heat pump curling iron?
What about a hot tub?
I don't think we have that. Here's a list of our upgrade rebates and appliance rebates. You can also find it on our website.
Thanks, PUD.